How do you create a bin in Tableau, and what is it used for? Let's search any metric like sales. A bin is always created on a measure. So I'm going to create a bin on my sales measure. Click the drop down, click create, bin. I'm going to set bins to be size of 1000. I can adjust this. You can do the suggested bin size and change the name. Click OK. I'm going to bring my bin over to columns so we can see. You'll see that Tableau sets equal bins. So between 0 and 1000, between 1000 and 2000, and 2000 and 3000, and so on. The main purpose of a bin is for a histogram. So if I drag sales to rows and change it to count, I can see how many times there are records between 0 and 1000, between 1000 and 2000, and so on. Hope this helps.